Big shout out going out to Bag Riders. Ordered this 2 days ago. Alright, so that's pretty sure it's gonna be the tank. There we go, that's the tank. Swag bag and a line. This is the manifold, so it's all the line that I'm gonna need, and the rest of the harness. The via air compressor. This is the instructions. The struts. Let's go ahead and get this kit also installed in the plow shoe. Go ahead and basically start disassembling this. Come straight up. Right now. Yep. 10 minutes. Be really careful here because we don't want to break this window. Go ahead and lift this up. It's all loosened up now. Mark, grab that side. Get up. Go up. Okay. Be careful with the window. It's on the clips. Let's go for that. So there's just one screw here holding it. One there, and it's already out. So I suspect that this is just a new cover here. It was a cover, but it's extremely brittle. So let's go ahead and get these screws out. Alright, now let's see how. Alright, another cover here for the lights. Little clip right there. Let's get that out. Trays out. There's a clip right down there. So I'm gonna take this out. Alright, it looks like there's one right here. So let's see if I can get that out. You just gotta pull it out. This cover off. One Phillips head. When you pop these out, it uses those plugs there, you see it? So you gotta be careful you don't break it. So that's actually what holds it in place right there. You gotta be really delicate because you can break these tabs. Alright, so there's one right under the BMW and the seat changer.
And then one there.
One there, one there. Alright, so got it loose here. There we go. So there's another tab right there, but this one didn't have it. So obviously this is, well, as you can tell, that's shredded. So yeah, this has definitely been out before. Got the insulation. There you go. That's what we're gunning for, that part right there.
Oh, see.
Put it on there. There you go.
Show it, the back.
And that's what it looks like in the rear.
So this is the one that was stuck. So the clamp in it.
This one here.
Yep.
So let's get this off. And this side, I don't think it's been off. So I'm not sure. I think over there was for the radio. And that's what we wanted right there. So at least now we'll have a clear path to run the cables forward for the air ride control. Now we can go ahead and begin taking the struts, the shocks out. And I believe the reinforcement plate goes above there. So there's no damage here to the plate. So I think that's a good sign. So we're gonna go ahead and keep vacuuming this out here, clean it all up, and then get cracking, start disassembly. So I'm still waiting for a lot of the components, but again, this is how you take off the rear struts on the M Coupe.